It was difficult. It wasn't easy. There's lots of challenges. Cake, my dear.
I know.
What happens,
Why
guys?
did you do that?
Yo, what's up, YouTubers?
Welcome back to our channel again. Today we have a special video. Issa TV 1000 subscribers. We finally reached our goal.
Yes, guys. I would like to thank every single one of you for your support, for your likes, for subscription, and for keeping us going. It took us about 5 months to get to 1000 subscribers. It was difficult. It wasn't easy. There's lots of challenges. So for all of you beautiful people out there, if you're starting your YouTube channel, keep it going. Keep it going.
Never stop.
Yeah, don't
Never
give up.
give up.
Never give up. So today is just a celebration to get to 1000 subscribers. In the next videos, we will be bringing you how to get to 1000 subscribers, how to get the 4000 hours, and the monetization, which we'll be going through in the next few weeks. And we'll have lots of fun. So guys, subscribe, comment, like the video. Make sure you like these videos because we're bringing you fantastic contents over the next few weeks. Yeah. So what do you think of this cake, my dear?
I know.
That's what happens,
Why
guys.
did you do that?
Yeah, look at this guy. Yeah, you put my face in this. I can't believe it. That's enough. That's enough. That's it. That's what happens, guys, when you're having lots of fun, lots of good time. That's what happens. Let's see how the cake tastes. How does the cake taste?
I don't know.
Is it good, yeah?
Oh, now we gotta wash our face.
We gotta wash our face, we will eat it, we'll have good time. Guys, make sure you subscribe, make sure you like the video, and we will see you in the next video. Peace out.
Bye.
Yeah.
My butt cheeks. Hey, what's up, YouTubers? Yeah.
Okay.
Make sure nobody unsubscribes you.